Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solve a interesting exponential math problem. It is a nice math Olympiad question, which is 8 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 48. X is equal to what? How to solve this interesting math problem? So I solved this question easy method or math solution or question. I take our question. It will be 8 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 48. This is our question. Now, at this moment, according to exponential formula, we know that a to the power n plus m, it will be a to the power n times a to the power m. According to this formula, I can say this expression, it will be 8 to the power x times 8 to the power minus 2 is equal to 48. Now, at this moment here, 8 to the power x times 8 to the power minus 2 is equal to what? So, we know that 1 over a to the power minus n, it will be a to the power minus n, it will be a to the power n, and we know that a to the power negative minus n, it will be 1 over a to the power n. So, according to this formula, 8 to the power minus 2, it will be 1 over 8 to the power 2 is equal to 48. Now, at this moment, here, 8 to the power x times 1 over 8 square, it will be 1 over 64 is equal to 48. Now, at this moment, if I multiply both sides by 64, I can say easily it will be 8 to the power x is equal to 64 times here 48. I multiply both sides by 64. Now, at this moment, I find out this x is equal to what? Our target. So I use both sides natural log. So natural log 8 to the power x is equal to log 64 times 48. I use both sides natural log. Now, we know that log a to the power r is equal to r log a. This exponent move on in front. So according to this formula, I can say here this x move on here, x log 8, then log 64 log 48. So we know that log a times b, it will be log a plus log v. If I apply this formula here, then you can say it will be log 64 plus log 48. Now, here x log 8, we know that log 64, it will be log 8 to the power 2. 8 to the power 2, it will be 64. Then log 48, it will be log, you can say this 48, it will be 8 times 6. 8 times 6, it will be 48. Now here, x log 8, then these two move on in front, so it will be 2 log 8 plus, and we know that log a v, it will be log a plus log v. I apply this formula again here. Now, at this moment, I divide both sides by log 8. So, here, x log 8 over log 8 is equal to 2 log 8 over log 8 plus log 8 over log 8. I divide both sides by log 8. Now, here log 8 is cancel out. This cancel out, it will be 1. Now this cancel out. We'll find out the value of x. It will be 2 plus 1 plus this to this one, and you can say here log 6. I evaluate this expression again, so this maths expression log 6, it will be 3 times 2 or 2 times 3. I take 2 times 3. Then here log 8, it will be 2 to the power 3. Now x is equal to 1 plus 2, it will be 3, plus, and it will be log 2 plus log 3, then over 3 log 2. I apply this formula here, this exponent move on in front. Now if I separate this fraction, here x is equal to 3 plus log 2 over 3 log 2 plus log 3 over log 2, and here is 3. Now this cancel out. We will find out here x, it will be 3 plus, then it will be 1 over 3. Here 1 over 3, this value it will be 1, and it will be 1 over 3 log 3 base 2. Now at this moment here least common value is 3, so if I take least common value is 3, it will be 3 times 3, it will be 9, and it will be 1 plus, and it will be log 3 base 2. So we'll find out our final answer here x, it will be 9 plus 1, it will be 10 plus log 3 base 2 over 3. This is the value of x in this exponential math Olympiad question. It is an interesting solution. It is an interesting math. This math for competitive exam. Now we'll find out here x is equal to this. Now let's verify our question. It will be 8 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 48. This is our question. Now here 8. So we know that 8 it will be 2 to the power 3. So I take 2 to the power 3. This x minus 2 is equal to 48. Now this 2 to the power 3 times x, it will be 3x minus 3 times 2, it will be 6 is equal to 48. But remember that, or recall, x it will be 10 log 3 base 2 over 3. This is the value of x. Now I put this value here, so this left hand side it will be 2 to the power 3 x. X it will be 10 plus log 3 base 2 over 3, and this is minus 6 is equal to 48. Now here this 3 cancel out, so it will be 2 to the power 10 log 3 base 2 minus 6 is equal to 48. At this moment here 2 to the power 10 minus 6, it will be 4 plus log 3 base 2 is equal to 48. Now at this moment you can see easily it will be 2 to the power 4 times 2 to the power log 3 base 2 is equal to 48. Now here 2 to the power 4 it will be 16 times 2 log 3 base 2, it will be 3 is equal to 48. Then 3 times 16 it will be 48 and is equal to 48. So you can say in this math problem here is left hand side and right hand side, both sides is equal. So x is equal to 10 plus log 3 base 2 over 3. This is our final answer in this exponential math problem. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.